Start to begin.
Yeah.
This is for future businessmen and women. Do you know how to produce a new product? Competition is very strong and dynamic in marketing. Nabulol ako.
Ulit.
Okay, ulit. Good morning, future businessmen and women. Do you know how to produce a new product? Competition is very strong and dynamic in marketing, which makes it necessary for a company to modify its existing products to meet over-changing consumers' needs. Nabubulol ako. Dapat memorize mo no? Para na-feel mo talagang na-feel mo. But development of new product is not as easy as to think. It takes a long time process to market a new products. First, it comes from an idea. Then those ideas should be well planned and well developed. Tiptoe Fashion are now planning for a new design for sandals. Let's see how they plan for a new product.
Style!
Ayaw nga pala style!
Gising ako style.
Tiptoe Style.
That is
Company.
style.
Paano ang style? Lagyan natin ng ano?
Yan nga lang.
Company. Sige ito nga. Ito na.
Tiptoe Style Company. Ang pangit. Tiptoe Style Company. Good morning, Good morning,
Tiptoe
future
Style
businessmen
na.
and women.
Tiptoe Style. Ilalagyan pa rin ng company yun eh.
Diba? Corporation na lang.
Sabi mo small.
Sabi ko, oo nga. Incorporated. Okay. Good morning, future businessmen and women. Do you know how to produce a new product? Competition is very strong and dynamic in marketing, which makes it necessary for the company to modify its existing products to meet our changing customers' needs. But existing products develop of new products. But develop of new products is not
Yung picture mo.
ano ba to?